this is what we are going to be looking at for the day on our Euro JPY. First thing first, we need to zoom it out and start the trend on our Euro JPY. As you can see, that it is very clear that Euro JPY is on an uptrend move. You can clearly see a series of higher and higher low, right? Then there is a major rejection zone, which is our support level. So you can clearly see that market has been rejected from this level multiple times. It has rejected from this level multiple times, as you can see here. Then when market was able to come to this level to retest it, we had the rejection that made it to short. So now if you take a look at this movement here, right? There is a minor movement here, which is a minor resistance level that we also got a rejection here. Then we had this rejection, and now market is at this level, and we should be expecting market to reject from this level. So basically, we should be expecting Euro JPY to drop to a level of at least 184.500. So we should be expecting a pullback or a little bearish move on our Euro JPY to a level of 184.500. That is what we should be expecting Euro JPY to give us for the day. Now, if you take a look at it here, right here, so we should expect market to push up a little bit, then one more drop. After the drop, then a little bit of a push up. Guess what? Another drop. So above all, we should still expect a little bearish move for the day on our Euro JPY. If there are any changes to this movement I've just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, subscribe so you don't